The Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point System, or HACCP, is a systematic approach to identifying and controlling food safety hazards. It's built on a foundation of prerequisite programs addressing operational and sanitation conditions, like training and allergen management. A HACCP plan is governed by 7 basic principles essential for food safety. First, conduct a hazard analysis. Identify potential hazards like biological, chemical, or physical risks that could cause illness. Second, determine critical control points, or CCPs. These are specific steps where control prevents or reduces risks like cooking or cooling. Third, establish critical limits. These are measurable parameters like cooking chicken to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, distinguishing safe from unsafe. Fourth, establish monitoring procedures. Observe and measure to ensure those critical limits are actually being met. Fifth, establish corrective actions. If a limit isn't met, take action immediately, like reheating or discarding the food. Sixth, verification procedures. Confirm the system works as intended through validation and reviews. And seventh, record keeping. Maintain documentation to prove monitoring happened and rules were followed. Think of HACCP as a bank vault security system. Hazard analysis is finding weak spots, and CCPs are the locked doors keeping everything safe.